do not be too close, especially at the end of the part where you've got to condense into three. Wheel tightly into that guard. Stand still. And I don't want that sometimes. Step back. You have to like you just push on that underneath and then snake in. Thank you. Right, good morning, Southman, ladies and gentlemen, veterans. I'm the new Garrison Sergeant Major of Edinburgh. This is my first gig today. I am so immensely proud and thankful to be here. I'm straight a few points in myself. It is a warm day. I'm sure you've all hydrated thoroughly enough and had your porridge this morning. If at any time you feel unwell, make sure you dress out and make yourself aware to any of the medical staff. When marching up towards the saluting dais, ensure you're taking the step from the band. Luckily enough, those at the front can see the band, the remainder get the step from them. On the dais, make sure your arms are flipped to the right in a smart soldier-like manner. Further to that then, we'll make our way up to the gardens and where the refreshments will be, and I'm sure we'll catch up later. Thank you very much then. Face up, shoulder movement. Pride!